Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Motorola headphones with your iPhone. So first of all, you have to locate this power button and be sure that your headphones are turned off. And then we have to just click and hold this power button. And now just take a look for the indicator. And when it starts blinking blue and red, just release the button and go to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. Then select your Escape 220 headphones from the list. And in the manual user, you can also find information that we can try to pair these headphones with the Motorola application. So it's called like that, Hubble Connection, Connect for Verve Live. Yeah, this one. So let's get this application and let's see if we can use any good features. Okay, alright, now we can open it. Accept the permissions that will pop on the screen. And it looks like we have to create an account to use this application. Let's try. Okay, and when you are in the application, you have to click to add device, and of course we have to choose our brand. So that's the Motorola. That's the Bluetooth over ear headset. So there we go. And here we have the Escape 220. So we are connected by the standard Bluetooth settings, but it looks like we have to enter for the pairing mode another time. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, as you can see, when you connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, we don't even have to enter for the pairing mode one more time. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.